What is a black hole and why scientists and common folk alike tend to go crazy about these mere conscious things? A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. I mean, how does even these things form out of nowhere? The most well-understood black holes are created when a massive star reaches the end of its life and collapses on itself. Eventually, when the star has shrunk to a certain radius, the gravitational field becomes so strong that the light can no longer escape. I mean, if the fastest particles known to our kind cannot escape, I don't know what will. By the way, that region is what we call now a black hole. And its boundary is called the event horizon. Further, it coincides with the path of light that just failed to escape from black hole. What's inside a black hole? That's a tough question. Anyway, let's get into that. The event horizon is where the escape speed exceeds the speed of light. That's crazy, right? I know it sounds crazy, right? But hang in there. You'd have to be going faster than light to escape the black hole's gravity. Inside the event horizon is where physics goes crazy. Some people talk about singularity as a point of infinite density at the center of the black hole, but that's probably wrong. True, it's what classical physics tells us is there, but the singularity is also where classical physics breaks down. So what's inside a black hole is still a mystery. Thank you for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to like our videos.